How to log in into your account on WhatsApp. Are you guys facing issues to log in into your WhatsApp account? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open WhatsApp on your mobile device. In order to log in, you need to have an account first. If you don't know how to create an account on WhatsApp, make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. Once you create an account, now click on Get Started and tap on Login button. Over here, you need to write down your email address. Now write down your password. Once you fill up all the details, click on Login. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna get logged in into Wise account. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.